Hello, what's up YouTube? So this is Sushant here. It's 5:45 a.m. in the morning. Today is a Sunday morning, by the way. So bike is heating up, and let me tell you about today's location. It's called Thokarwadi Dam and Khandi Waterfalls. So this name might sound a little bit weird to you, but you can just type it on Google Maps and you'll get it right away. You'll be able to find it right away. Anyway, we are going to be meeting our friends at Chandni Chowk at 6 o'clock. So we have about 15 minutes to reach there. Actually 10 minutes, it's 5:50. Anyway, let's be on our way. Okay, so the place is 92 kilometers away from Katraj. So Katraj is where I stay in Pune. So it's going to be around a couple of 100 kilometers today, and we are aiming to get back to our houses by 1 o'clock. So we are at Chandni Chowk, 1, 2, 3. The fourth guy is there on the CBR. All of us are here. So we are pushing off from Chandni Chowk. Okay, so we are around 25 kilometers away from our location destination, and we just stopped here in between because the fog amounts were pretty high. Like you can see, the fog is very high, the visibility is low, so we have stopped here. That's our bike. That's our bike.
My dreams among the stars while I'm standing on the pavement, spinning around, lost and found, just trying to make a statement. Lift the weight off my shoulders and set me free. Let the birds in the sky is where I'd like to be, without gravity to hold us down. Together we're the side of the ground.
So we have stopped again to click some pictures with the waterfall, near the waterfall, and these are our bikes. This is a pretty chill ride. We are just enjoying the view, that's it.
traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am.
So if you visit towards this part to see Khandi waterfalls, so this is the last point where you should stop. There's not much to see in that direction, so just stop here, then go back. The water is so clean. So anyway, people riding with me today are Vishwajit, Raj, Aniket, Mayur, Ameya. Okay, let's do this. अबे ठंडा ठंडा एकदम. मस्त लोकेशन है बे. So we are walking towards that point. कासवांचं काय झालं? कासव दिले. सर मयूर पुढच्या वेळी नेट घेऊन या ना तुझं. मासे पकडू. मी कसं येऊ राव? ह्या दगड आहे हा स्ट्रॉंग. काय तिथं? काय 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 ते? नाईस. वास घ्यायला कोण म्हणतंय मग? This feels like paradise. So we chilled here for a bit. So now we'll go back to our bikes, gear up and leave. Okay, so while coming from there, I fell down in the water. All my clothes are wet. Okay, so we are leaving from here. I switched back to a mesh jacket because my shirt is whole wet and I wanted to dry off. And my jacket I gave it to Aniket. Also, I can't wear my riding pants now because the inners which I wear inside the pant are completely wet. So anyway, let's leave.